In this video, we will show the three types of panels that Renogy manufactures and offers to best suit your needs. For the purpose of this video, we will be demonstrating the 100 watt of different cell types. Our Renogy 100 watt polycrystalline panels integrates polycrystalline cells with efficiencies ranging from the 14% to 17% depending on the model. They are typically a little bigger than the monocrystalline counterparts. However, they still deliver their rated specification. Polycrystalline panels are preferred if users are more cost-driven and have the space to install these slightly bigger panels. Our Renogy 100 watt monocrystalline panels integrates monocrystalline cells with efficiencies ranging from 17 to 18.4%. Monocrystalline panels are typically smaller than their polycrystalline counterparts due to the higher efficiency. The 100 watt monocrystalline panel is preferred if certain applications are limited to space and are the standard panel's user's primary install. The Renogy Premium 100 watt panel utilizes monocrystalline cells that start at 20% efficiency. As you can see, this panel is smaller than both the monocrystalline and polycrystalline and still delivers 100 watts. All Renogy panels are ETL certified, have a 25-year power output warranty, and 5-year material and workmanship warranty. We use an advanced encapsulation material with multi-layered sheet laminations to enhance cell performance and provide long service life. The cells are protected by a highly durable 3.2mm tempered glass, and the frame is made out of anodized aluminum alloy. We offer affordable pricing and have financing available. Renogy panels are guaranteed to have a positive output tolerance. Come equipped with bypass diodes to minimize power loss when the panel is shaded and have an IP65 rated junction box. The Renogy panels we have demonstrated are manufactured to the highest quality without jeopardizing cost.